Hello, my name is Ji Hwan Yoon, and today we will talk about the evolution of flash memory. The history of the flash memory can be divided into three steps. The first is the birth and foundation of the flash. In the beginning, it was the base on PMOS, and it developed to NMOS. And in 1987, the Toshiba is the first invented the flash memory. The second is CTF technology. The CTF technology means the charge trap flash. It can prevent the interference cell by cell, so the leakage current problem was corrected. In 2006, the Samsung commercialized the CTF technology, the world first. The last is 3D flash. Nowadays, the physically scaling down is at the end of limit. So instead of scaling down, the company using the stack up the channel. So it calls 3D. The, the normal technology, we used only the 2D, like one channel, but in 3D flash, we stack up the channel, so we can control channel easily before.